Hi, you're watching Professor Plays. This is my Build from Scratch Season 2, and I goofed up. I don't know exactly when, but at some point when I loaded a game to record an episode, I loaded the wrong save file. So I don't think anybody commented on it. Maybe somebody noticed it and didn't comment. But what was I doing? Oh, I was building a copper mine, and I knew I'd already done that. Like, this is deja vu. And yeah, sure enough, I looked at my other save files. I don't know when it was, but I obviously got out of sync with when I was loading the save files to make the recording. So I apologize. I think I've got the map back in some reasonable condition. Let's take a look at it. It may not look exactly like it was before. What was it? I had already built a copper mine, and the map that I had loaded did not have that, so I got really out of sync there. Anyway, so now I have a copper mine. It is being loaded onto a train. It is going into the unload all station. Copper's coming in, iron ore's coming in. It's going up here to smelting. I have copper smelting, I have iron smelting, and what else? Maybe that was all. Oh, and it looked a little different somewhere up here. Was it the copper mine load station? Anyway, the load station looked a little different, but this is what it looks like now. Mining drills there, copper is going down here, loading onto the train there. So copper ore is coming in by train. Iron ore is, I want stone by train, and I want coal by train. That's what I want to work on today. Oh, was there anything else? Oh, I want to make, research has completed, and I want to build this power armor. Oh, I did build a power armor. Okay, I want to show you. I want to equip that. So power armor, 40 steel, 40 processing units, the blue circuits, and 20 electric engines. So I gathered that stuff and I built one. So what you do is, now the one I'm wearing, this one here, it has stuff in the equipment grid. So what you do is you pick up the new one and your left mouse, this is my inventory, pick it up with left mouse, and I'm holding it now, and then drop it on top of your current armor, left mouse. Now you've got the old one that you're holding. You put that back in your inventory. Now the old one, right click on it. There's stuff in there that I want. So you can just control click and take the stuff out of the old armor. Now you don't need the old armor, because now you can take the old armor and put it in the trash. Okay, now the new armor, you can right click on it. Now this equipment grid is bigger. This power armor has a bigger equipment grid than the one that I took out. So now you can figure out where you want to put your equipment in there. There's a rubble port. I crafted, let's put this up here. I crafted 3 exoskeletons before I started recording, like that. And I have some batteries. I had some batteries in the other armor. And then solar panels, like that. So now I've got 3 exoskeletons, 4 batteries, a rubble port, and some exoskeletons. And as soon as the batteries charge up, this is the battery meter down here in the lower left. It says 0%. As soon as the batteries charge up, I'll be able to move quite a bit faster, which I like. Oh, now I can throw away some stuff too, right? Let's see. Oh, the bots have already picked it up. Okay, bots have already picked it up. Good. All right, that's good. I also, what I did do, I went down here to the oil refinery. It was, what am I looking at? I'm looking for oil refinery. Right down here, straight down. I was running low on petroleum gas, and I had not put the recipes in the entire refinery for advanced oil processing. I just did that just before I started recording. I put the recipes in the refineries for advanced oil processing. I ran the fluid pipes over there. So now they're all running advanced oil processing. That gives you more output. Advanced oil processing is more efficient. You get more fluids out when you use that. So that's running now. I need to make this bigger though. I don't think this is big enough. Yeah, let me double this. Can I double this? Just by grabbing, well, let's see, this is not exactly linear here. Let's see if I do that. You're 10, right? I want 10 more. If I grab all of that, what is it? No, that's not going to work either. I'm looking at these pipes that stuck up and down. It's not. I just can't grab all that and paste it on there. It wouldn't work quite right. Let's see if I did grab all of that and paste it on there again. That's basically, I want to do this. I want to make it this big. I want it to be that big. Are you lined up? Like that? That's how big I want to make it right there. Give me this part. If I get this part and go down here like this, can I get you to line up? Get rid of that pipe to ground. That worked. And then that might work. Okay, let's try that. Let's see, are you in the robot build land? Are you in robot land? No, let's put you in robot land. Maybe, if I have any roboports. Do I have roboports? Do I have I do have some. Let's put you in robot land and let the robots do all this plumbing work. Let's see, give me my blueprint, which has power already in it. And let's see if I can get you lined up here. Where do I want these? Down here? Yeah. Let's go down here. Let's put roboports. Does that put all of that? No, let's put it up here. I'm mumbling, aren't I? Sorry. Sorry for the mumbling. Talking to myself is what I'm doing. Oh, you don't have power. Now you do. Do you cover all of that? Yes, you do. Okay, now robots are going to do all that plumbing. That's what I want. Alright, and I don't know if I have any refineries or not. No, I don't have any. There may not be. I'm not making those. How many do I need? I'll need to handcraft some of these. There's 7 more. Let's see if I can handcraft 7 refineries. And I'll have to get the stuff. I need stone brick, steel gear, circuits, pipe, and stone brick. I need 7 refineries. Let me do that right now or I will forget. Steel gear. Steel gear, circuits, and stone brick. Stone brick right here. And I said, how many did I need? Oh, they must have been in the. They must have been in storage somewhere. Oh, okay. I didn't remember handcrafting those. Obviously, I did because I don't think. Maybe I don't think I'm making those, am I? I don't know. Whatever. They came from somewhere. They magically appeared. Are you all going to get stuff that you need? Does that have water in it? Yes, it does. Does that have, yes, that has this. Yes, that has that. I don't need that. That's kind of like an extra. You're coming out of there. Okay. What is this? Okay, yeah, I need to do this part. You're not connected. I didn't copy all that. You are... What are you? You are... heavy oil. Or no, you're crude oil. Okay, yeah, I definitely need that. I need this. Like this. Down to there. Okay, no wait, I gotta keep going. That's not far enough. Gotta go all the way down through here. You all need crude oil down to there like that. Okay, and you're going to build all that for me, bots? Yes, you will. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. Did I forget anything? I don't think so. Okay. So I want to build a stone mine and a coal mine and bring it in by train. I set up the unload all station. I put the blueprint down in the other episode. I think I did that part correctly. I don't know if I showed you this or not. I really got out of sync when I realized that I had messed up the recording. I put in my little mall, I put this machine here to make locomotives. Locomotives require steel circuits and engine units. I have this machine making engine units. I'm using it quite extensively for a lot of things now, so I put some speed module 2s in there so that it crafts quicker. And it's loading an engine unit into here. And this is grabbing the other stuff that it needs and making locomotives and putting them into this chest. I also am crafting the cargo wagons, I think, somewhere, right here. No, here's fluid tanks. I'm crafting those. So that's iron plate and steel. And here's cargo wagons for the train. Iron plate, steel, and gear. And that's grabbing the stuff that needs off the belts there, and it's making cargo wagons. So those are the train components. What else? Maybe that's all. Okay, so now I want to go over here and create the stone mine and coal mine. So if I had some rubble ports and some robots, and if I had some mining drills, I better get a few more mining drills. I should be building those. Mining drills, where are you? Mining drills, mining drills, mining drills, nope, right here. Mining drills. And some belt, I have belt. Okay, and roboports, I have roboports. And robots, I have robots. And, I mean medium electric. Right here, medium electric. Okay, now, let's go, which one first? Stone mine first. So let's go stone mine first. So over here in the unload all station, trains are already in there. If you get the blueprint from ProfessorPlays.com, this is my blueprint. And in that blueprint, there are already trains. Here it is. These are the trains that are blueprinted in there. So once you start building the stuff, the bots will bring the stuff over here and build the train. So this is the stone train right here. It's got a little icon right there, a little combinator that shows you which train this is. And they're pre-programmed. So click on it. It says, go to stone load, wait for full, go to stone unload, wait for empty. This is red because stone load doesn't exist yet. Okay, so I'm in the train, and I'm going to go to stone load, or where it's going to be. So it's going to be over here. So you just hold down Control. See that green line there? Hold down Control, and I want the train to go right about there. So click. Now the train is moving. Oops. Train is moving. I'm in the train. That Control click sets a temporary train stop. So if I click on the train now, there's a temporary stop at those coordinates. It's going to take me over there. Okay. So now, go to manual. I don't want to keep moving. Back up a little bit. Temporary train stop. When it expires, the train starts moving again. So here's the stone mine. Let's see, I'm going to load the train right here. So to give me load one side, I'm going to put that right here. Load one side, like this, right about there. There we go. And let's get rid of this. Okay. And then I have in my blueprints, I have mining drills. I have mining 6 and mining 6 dense. So let's use the dense one. And it's set to snap to grid. So I'm not doing that. It's doing that by itself. It's snapping to grid. So you just put it on the thing you want to mine, hold down left mouse. Okay, and it will not put mining drills if there's nothing to mine. So it did not put anything over here. Well, it did not put mining drills. It does put the electric poles, and it puts belt. So you might want to trim the extra stuff that it puts. And it puts undergrounds at the ends here. You don't need those. You might want to get rid of those because they're a little pricey to build. You gotta be frugal here. Okay, and then at the top it puts undergrounds there. I don't need an underground, but I do need a belt. So I can put a belt there instead of an underground. Okay, something like, oh, I don't need it there, just down here. Okay, so that's the blueprint that I put down there. And then I'll want those to come down here and go into the load station. How many belts is that going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 belts. Okay, we'll just use 1, 2. Okay, let's see. Does the 5 to 4 look reasonable? I've got this blueprints here. 5 to 4. Do you look like a reasonable print? Yeah, good enough. Oops, let's see this way. And like this. Right there. No, let's get rid of this. Nope. Nope. Control X. Let's get you a little bit closer here. Like that. Is that too close? No, that's fine. This can go up here. And this can go here. Like this. Okay, that's reasonable. And then you have to come out of there. And you want to go here. Okay. Let's see, I'll go up here like this. So that one goes there. This one goes, oops, is that right? 1? No, that's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I didn't plan on using this as a separate one. Okay, this one's so short, I don't want that to be a separate one. So this one, I want this to go here. Like this. This is only a few mining drills right here in the end. In fact, it's so few I can use some yellow belt. And I need some power though. And I can take this belt up here into the end of this one, like that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, okay, that's what I want. So now there's 5 belts coming out of there. Like this. So there's 1. And here's 1. And there's 1. And there's 1. And this one here. Oops, something's in the way. Like that. I think that's correct. And then this is stone load. Okay, stone load. Where's my stone train at? I drove it over here. Right here. Here's the stone train. Shift right click. That gives me the color. Shift left click. Pastes the color. And you are not little Tweety. Little sweetie. You're not little sweetie. You are stone load. Train limit of 1. Okay, stone load, trade limit of 1. Like that. Okay, so now I have rubble ports. You can see the build area. I know it's dark. It's always dark when I'm doing stuff, if you noticed that. I've got the rubble port, and you can see the build area. Can I see it? I can't see it here. But as long as the build area is covering everything, which it should be if I put it in here somewhere, I just have to give it power. Yeah, it covers over to there. Where is power? Right here's power. And you don't cover everything. I'll put you right here. Do you cover everything there? No. It has to be higher than that. How about right there? And give me some power. And here's some bots. And here's a chest with stuff in it. There's a red chest. And you can have some mining drills. And you can have some belt. And you can have some undergrounds. And you can have some splitters. And you can have some medium electrics. And the bots will build it. Assuming I put it all in the build area. I did. Okay, so that one rubble port is covering all of that. So you put the blueprints down, you put the rubble port, you put some bots in the rubble port, put yourself a chest, either a red or yellow one. Put the goods in the chest, and the bots will build it. Oh, I could also put some rail in there and build the rail if I have any. Do I have any rail? No. I don't think I've got enough rail to build this. Oh. Don't have enough rail to build it. I build it the wrong way. Of course not. Can I make a couple? I'm like 3 pieces of rail. I can. Amazing. About maybe 2 pieces of rail short. I don't know how many it takes to make that curve there, but 4 pieces of rail it took to make that. I don't have any steel chests. Oh, I didn't put it in the chest. Okay, I can do that. Do I have any lights? I do have some. Okay, let's put a light there, and there, and there, and there, and there. And stack inserters. And fast inserters. Oops, one too many. What's going on here? Oh, I didn't put any undergrounds in the chest. Okay. I did. I don't have enough. Okay, let's make a few more of those. And where's power at? Oh, there's power right here. What? What are you? Oh, you're not blinking. That you don't have. Why are you blinking? You don't have power. Oh, that doesn't cover that one. Ah. Okay. Oh, I don't have any of those. Ah. And who's blinking over here? Okay, you don't have power either. Oh, I see. This pattern should have been like this. Let me think about this. Where do you go? You should have went here. Oh, that was the wrong way. Like that. Yeah, okay. You don't power that drill either. You don't have power. Oh, same thing. You need to go. I did it the wrong way again. Yeah, I put it on there pointing the wrong way. Now, are you all? No, you're not connected. Now is everybody connected? No. I still see some that I don't have undergrounds on. Now maybe there are. Okay, so there's mining drills on the stone. Stone's going down there, and you don't have power. Okay, and so power is right here. Come this way, power. Oh, power's also right there. And that connects, and you're missing. And I don't have the stuff I need to make that. Oh, I'm making one. Oh, I only need a few. Okay. So then can you go to stone load? Yes. There's stone load. And look at that. It's actually going to be able to load all of these. Don't get run over. So I'm missing... What am I still missing? I'm missing some undergrounds. Red undergrounds. But it's loading, so get in the train. Take me back to unload. And it's moving. So we're over here. It's going to go down there and use that turnaround, but that's fine. Stone is a kind of a low volume thing, so we can share that turnaround with copper. And I need to get a few red belt back at the base. And if you waited on me, that would be nice. So I just need some red belt. I need red stuff. Belt, underground, and splitters. Over here, went too far. Red belt. Undergrounds and splitters. And I need some medium electric right here. Okay. Now let's go back over there. I think I put the train on manual, so it wouldn't leave without me. Right here. And take me back to a load, please. Turn my personal rumble port off so the bot doesn't fly out of the train while I'm driving in the train and get off by itself. If you do that, by the way, if you leave a bot stranded on the other side of the world, it will fly toward you. Doesn't matter how long it takes. Okay, so let's go down here. And who is missing? Over here. Somebody's missing something over here. Turn on bots. There we go. Underground's there. Is that it? I see stone flowing. Okay. Is there a radar over here? Let's put another radar over here. There is one somewhere. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, that's good enough. It's right there, good enough. Now, is everybody running? Oh, you just put something over there that was missing. What did you put over there? Oh, probably some splitters. Okay, I think they're all there. So the stone train is loading. Get in the train. Get in the train. Without getting run over. Train must have filled up because it took off without me telling it to take off. Now this is a full stone train. And I want to do the same thing with coal. I want to make a coal train. So there's stone. And you are unloading. Now you don't have stack inserters. Let's see, let's make these. Oh, I want stack inserters where the train is unloaded. So the train cars unload fast. The inserters that take the stuff, that remove the stuff from the steel chest, those can be fast inserters because you can see it's backed up. But I want to load those chests as quickly as possible. That's only yellow belt right now. I typically don't use a lot of stones. Yeah, I think it's going to back up even with just a yellow belt. So we'll leave it like that. So there's stone train running. Okay, now I also need a coal train, a coal mine. This is the coal train. And a coal mine, I want to go here. So let's go over to here. Right about there, maybe. I just control click. Do I have... Wait here for me, please. I need more mining drills. How many mining drills do I have? Mining drills. I don't see any mining drills. Okay, let me grab some mining drills. We're just going to block everything. We're just going to leave the train sitting right there on the tracks. Oh, look how fast I am. Yee! I'm not slow anymore. Okay, so I want mining drills. So that, again, that was with this power armor and 3 exoskeletons. And you can see the number of batteries, personal batteries, and portable solar panels that I have. And the battery bars over here to the left, in the lower left corner of the screen, that's my suit battery. You can see how that will last as I'm running around here. It will go down if you keep running. Okay, and I was talking, I forgot what I wanted. What did I want? Oh, I wanted mining drills. And that is mining drills. Where are you at? Mining drills. Mining drills. Are here. There we go. And some belt and some yes, and some power and yes. Okay. Let's go back down here. The refinery still working? Yes, it is. Okay. And I want the coal train. Oh, stone train's coming back. And you are the steel train. I don't want you. I want the coal train without getting run over. Oh, I'm blocking the tracks, aren't I? I left my coal train parked somewhere. Where did I park? Right here. Yes, you can't continue. Someone's blocking everything. Okay, now I want you to go. I want you to go here. Oh, I need more rail. Okay. Where am I going to build this at? Okay, let's go down here. I forgot to get rail. I can build some. Okay, back up. Coal mine is immediately, I'm sorry, it's dark again. The coal mine is immediately below me. Rail and wall load one side. Does this give me enough room to put a balancer and... yes, I think it does. We can go out to the side. Let's try that. Okay. Coal is black. Oops. Come on. Okay. And you are coal load. Train limit of 1. Okay. You can go 2. No, no, yes. Coal load. There's coal load. Okay, so now, let's see, let's get rid of this. And give me mining 6. Okay, let's do, let's use the dense one. And let's go this way. Like that. And you don't need to be there. And you don't need to be there. Like that. And then you don't need to be here. Like that. And you don't need to be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 belts going up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 9 if I count this one. This one doesn't count. This one's too small to count. So you can go here. You can go like, oh, let's see. I don't want to put a balancer here. So if you get combined together, you would be 8. I should have did it the other way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 8 of them. Yeah, I don't really have room to, I don't have room to put a balancer. That doesn't matter. I don't need one. So let's just do 2 here. Like this. So there's 1. And so there's 2 belts there. Yeah, this will work. This will be fine. This will be fine. Doesn't need to be perfect. You can go there. Like that. You can go like this. I have how many more? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this will work. You can go here. Like this. And you can go like this. Like that. You need power. Power there. You need power down here. You just get power over here for some reason. Why don't you have power? Oh, you didn't get your... Okay, I probably deleted it. You were supposed to have electric there. You need electric there. And you need electric there. Like that. Okay. I think like that. You can actually go down this way. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah. Well, this is fine. This is fine like this. Let's just go here. Like that. You don't need to be there. Okay, what's missing? Oh, my battery in my suit has depleted. The bots are flying all over the place. And it's depleting my battery. Plus it's dark, so it's not recharging. Yeah, they're getting it built. It's almost built anyway. They've almost built the whole thing. They still want to do something, though. What are you doing now, bots? Still placing stuff. Oh, I ran out of fast undergrounds. I ran out of everything. Well, except for belt. Okay, I need more red undergrounds. And I need more medium electric poles. Okay. What are you doing now? Oh, you have belt. Okay. And I ran out of mining drills. Mining drills, medium electric, and fast undergrounds. I don't have any steel chests. There we go. Okay, we're mining coal. I need some stuff. Red or fast undergrounds and mining drills. Okay, let's go. Unload. It's moving. Where do you have to go to turn around? Oh, that's not bad. Okay, that's not bad. And it's unloading. And there's some coal. Okay. So I will grab the stuff that I needed to finish building that, and I'll just ride the train back over there and let the bots place it and finish building it. But you've seen what I'm doing there. So I'll have a coal mine and being brought in by train, Oh, these bots say they're complaining, that icon right there. They're complaining there's no storage chest over there. They've picked up some stuff and they don't have a chest to put it in. See them hovering there? So I'll need to put some storage chests around the mines too. So I'll do that off camera. Storage chests there and there, and finish this coal mine. So I hope I'm back on sync. I'm sorry about that mix up with the episode that got recorded out of sync. Oh well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. Take care. Have fun playing. See you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, I need storage chest. And I need to finish building this mine over here.